Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how you can remove it. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the accounts and synchronization section, tap add account, then select Google. Of course you'll need internet connection to add Google account, so here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. In the next step you have to select if you want to enable Google backup feature. Like if you do, you just tap accept. If you don't want this feature enabled, disable this feature here and then tap accept. An account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just select it here, tap more, remove account, remove, and yeah. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.